everyone, today is going to be the meat day. So we're gonna make piece of veal. We're gonna prepare it in different way and let's do it. We will need 1 piece of red onion, 1 piece of yellow onion, 1 piece of potato, 2 hot pepper, 1 piece of tomato, 5-6 clove garlic, little parsley and little dill, and half red pepper. For the spice, we will need 2 teaspoons of seasoned salt, little bit than half the teaspoon paprika, full pieces black pepper, 1 teaspoon herb de Provence, 1 teaspoon oregano, little bit nutmeg and little bit coriander, and 3 pieces sun-dried tomato. And we'll cut those stuff in a big mixing bowl, and we'll start right away. Big pieces like this. The same thing. Everything big pieces. Here, only the cloves, we're gonna stick it into the meat. The herbs, just to cut them like that. Two-piece aluminium paper, and we mix those. Like this. The garlic stuffed in the middle of the meat with some herbs, and we do like this one. Here's the other part. Then we close it good. Don't close it to down, close it to the top. We don't need the sauce to run out. More just to support. Here we go. 500 degrees the oven to hell. So we put the meat in the oven. It's gonna take around 25-30 minutes. And then we're gonna cook the rice. 1 spoon of ghee, 1 cup of basmati rice, 1.5 cups hot water. We'll crush a little bit of rosemary, just crush them. Chicken Maggi. Water is boiled. We're gonna turn it halfway until the water almost make a hole in the rice. So turn it off and we keep it in the heat. So here guys, you see, when you put it here, you start to see holes in water. So it's almost going to be disappear the water. You will turn it a little bit, just very low for like 5-6 minutes, and turn it off. Keep it in the heat. Be fluffy. Look at that rice. It's got this.
It smells amazing.
Look at that, guys. Taste this. The sauce came from the vegetable here. We're gonna make the plate like that. Simple, doesn't take a long time to do, easy to cook, beautiful taste. See you next video. Bye.